Troy, you gotta get down here right now. Something's going on. Something's weird.
Okay, yeah, no problem. I'll be right there.
You hear that? Do you hear any of this, Troy? Nothing sounds right anymore. It sounds like we're living in a freaking cartoon world. I mean, listen to this. Is this what a croissant sounds like? Is that what biting into a nice, juicy, meaty croissant with the crunching and that chewing? No. What is going on right now? What is happening?
I do not see an issue, Finian.
Troy, what? Your voice is not lining up with your lips. Troy, not you too. No. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, you can't.
Yes, we really are a family.
Where is that? Where? Where's Troy? Where do you go? Where's that coming from? What is going on?
The ISO's all wrong on this. I can't use this.